beautiful people, it's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back again with another video. So this unit is from my fellow friends at Superbwigs. Hey girl, how you doing? Long time no talk. So I will be reviewing today a unit that I've never actually had before. Like, the style is cute though, and we're gonna spice her up just to see what she's really about. But in the box actually came these two elastic bands and then a wig cap. And the inside of the wig, we got an adjustable strap and a comb in the back. And then we also have these two combs. And Superbwigs actually is like, I always say this when people ask me what are good quality wigs that aren't super expensive. Superbwigs is one of them. They always come with elastic bands, they come with bleached knots, very flexible and like transparent lace. Like their wigs are actually like good quality, and I'm not even just saying that. Like, they're genuinely good quality. So let me show you the wig that I have today, and I'm gonna share my thoughts with you. I'm gonna share my thoughts on her with you. Okay, so she's looking a little crazy right now because we haven't done her yet. The only thing I did is cut the lace. So as you can see, this hair is nice and movable. I'm gonna finesse this. Not even finesse it, sis. I'm gonna style her and you're gonna be like, now who is that? Because I ain't never tried one of these before. But as you can see, this wig is already cut into like a pixie kind of cut. So it's basically styled for you in a sense. You just gotta touch her up. It's pre-plucked and pre-bleached. This is another thing that I say I really like about Superbwigs. Their prices are affordable, but they do make sure that their quality is even better. So this wig is technically 8 inches, 150% density, and I got a cap size of 22.5. And the wig is actually, the way that it's cut, it gives it a fuller look. So I'm gonna give you a 360 right now. Again, just took her out the box. Alright, you know what this wig reminds me of? The Tiana Taylor. Didn't you see that wig with Tiana Taylor? This is what it kind of reminds me of. It's super short, and then we got the longer side. So I've been playing around with the wig, and I actually like it going the other way because it kind of just looks like a super short bob. So what I'm trying to do is like slick her down in the root area, and then I'm about to do some baby hairs, and I think she's a vibe. You gotta give me a second. So I ended up parting the actual wig, like I said, to the side. But there is like different ways that you could wear this. I like it the best parted like this because it looks like a micro mini bob. But it's actually a pixie cut, so if you wanted to do like the pixie cut kind of vibe, you would just part it going the other way. At the actual end of the video, it's basically going to switch from hairstyle to hairstyle. So I just basically gave you 2 ways to style this. So you can do it like this, or you can do like a little slick down moment on the side. Super easy, and this is definitely a good wig for my beginners. This wig, she is super duper affordable, and I do have a coupon code which is going to be listed right here if you did want to check her out, or anything else on their site.